How to log in into Amazon A to Z employee account. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your App Store. Here in the search bar, search for Amazon A to Z. Move into this app. You have to make sure that this application is already installed on a device. Once the app has been installed, you can open it and simply log into your account. Well, you can also sign in from any of the web browser or Safari. Let me head over to Safari for now. In the search bar, search for Amazon A to Z login. Head over to the very first site, Amazon A to Z login. You will be landing on this interface. So in this page, what you want to do is, first of all, enter your Amazon login ID and then enter the password of your account. Once you have entered your password, click on login. Once you have clicked on login, you will be logged into your Amazon A to Z employee account and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can log in into your Amazon A to Z employee account. Make sure to smash the like button and please consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.